In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your AMEX Blue Cash preferred credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to americanexpress.com. Then it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the menu and click credit cards. And then under personal cards, you'll need to click view all credit cards right here. From here it should look something like this. And here you can go down to the filter and click featured. You can also click all cards and search for it, but you'll just need to scroll down until you see Blue Cash preferred credit card right here. When you click on it, you'll see a bunch of different information about this credit card, and to apply for it, you simply need to click apply now. From here, it should look something like this, and here you'll have a 3-step process. You'll need to add in the provide information, you'll have to submit application, and then you'll get a decision and be accepted into the credit card. As you can see over here, you'll also see that you can earn $250 back by spending $3,000 within the first 6 months of your credit card. So keep that in mind once you get it. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you see personal information, where you'll need to add in your first name, your middle name, and your last name. From here, you'll also need to add the name on the credit card, which will be your first name and your last name. Keep in mind you can only have 19 characters on your first name. From here you'll also need to add the date of birth, where you need to add month, date, and year. From here you'll need to add in your email address so Amex can send you whether or not you've been accepted into this credit card. You'll also need to add in the mobile phone number, the home street address, apartment or street number, the zip code, the city, and of course the state that you're living in. From here, you'll also need to add in your social security number. And if you don't have a social security number, you can also place in your ITIN number or individual taxpayer identification number instead of the SSN number. From here, you can go down to if you're already an American Express card member in another country, you can log into your account down here and add the information. From here, you'll need to also add your total annual income, your non-taxable income, and your income source. From here, you'll need to add continue to terms. From here, you'll get an overview of your entire application that you can then send in to American Express. From here, you'll get an email from American Express whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!